Hey, it's Deborah with the Fan Party, and today I will be showing you how I make a paper cake centerpiece using my Silhouette Cameo and an SVG cut file. I usually post once a week, but this week I will be posting a bonus video, probably this weekend actually, on how I package my diaper cake. So if you're watching sometime after this weekend, you can find the link somewhere up there. Let's get started. So first I have to cut out all my pieces. Here's the file that comes with the purchase. It has a large base which has an 8-inch diameter, and then a medium base that has a 5.5-inch diameter, 2 bows or bow ties, and a happy birthday topper. But I won't be using that topper. Instead I made a 50 and Fabulous cake topper that I'm going to use. And so the sheets I'm going to be using are 8.5 by 11 because that's just what I'm choosing to use at the moment. So I'll need 13 sheets total. There will be 8 black, 4 gold, and 1 purple. So I can fit all of my purple onto one sheet. I've already got my paper loaded. I'm just gonna make sure my settings are correct. This is regular cardstock. So my settings right for this one, my blade is a little used, and I'm gonna put my blade setting to 3, the force to 22, and speed to 10 to keep it at 2 passes. And that should work the first time. So I'm gonna send that through, and I have to cut the rest of them out. So I've got all my pieces cut out. Now I need to fit them together. So these fold in. Oh, my shirt, I shouldn't have worn a black shirt. Can you see? I have 3 of these the sides of the base. Let me make sure I put it in the right side. Alright, cool. So I'm going to connect all of these together using hot glue. This is going to be the base, where it's going to sit inside of there. I prefer to put it on the inside because I feel it makes it more sturdy. Instead of using hot glue because it dries too fast, I'm going to use tacky glue and just put them on the inside of each one of those tabs. Now I just sit this on the inside and let it dry. As you can see, this isn't a circle, and it's not going to be easy for me to try to get it straight to put the top on. So I cut out another piece for the top to go on the inside, and this is what helps it give it its shape so I can put the top on. I'm also going to use the tacky glue for the top. Alright, so while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to make my bow tie and my topper. For the bow tie, it's a paper bow tie. Pretty much what I do is just fold it in half, and to give it that curve, I rub it on the side of a corner, and then it's got a nice curve to it. And that way it doesn't get creased easily. For the 50 and Fabulous, I've got the front, and this part goes on the back. now that my top is dry, I just gotta put it on. And because I can't leave well enough alone, I'm going to decorate it with some ribbon because I have a lot of ribbon. So I'm going to decorate it just like I decorate my diaper cakes. Alright, I've already got the top made, and what I can do is probably glue this onto the base, or I can not, it really doesn't matter. But I'm going to put my bows in the center. And like I said, I can't be well enough alone, so I've got some more gold ribbon that I'm going to put onto the paper bows. And now to finish it off with my top ribbon. And here is the finished centerpiece. If you have a cutting machine and you want to make the centerpiece yourself, you can purchase and download the cutting files from my website at nefarianparty.com. Thanks for watching.